Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. Today we're diving into the fundamentals of string formatting in Python, a crucial skill for any budding programmer. Whether you're printing output, logging data, or creating user-friendly interfaces, mastering string formatting will make your code cleaner and more efficient. So what exactly is string formatting? Well, it's the process of creating formatted strings using placeholders, which are then replaced by the corresponding values. Python offers several methods for string formatting, and today we'll cover the three most common approaches using the modulo operator. First up, we have the modulo operator method. It's the oldest method in Python and involves using the modulo operator to insert values into a string. In this example, modulo s is a placeholder for a string and modulo d is a placeholder for an integer. We then use the modulo operator to replace these placeholders with the values of the name and age variables in the print statement. Let's run this code. Next, let's explore the format method. This method provides more flexibility and readability compared to the modulo operator. In this example, the curly braces serve as a placeholder, and we use the format method to replace them with the values of the name and age variables. The order of placeholders and arguments can be rearranged, making it easier to manage. Let's run this example. Finally, we have f-strings, also known as formatted string literals. This is the newest and most concise method introduced in Python 3.6. With f-strings, we prefix the string with a lowercase f and directly insert variables or expressions within curly braces. It's the most intuitive and readable method, especially for complex string formatting. Let's run the code to see the results. And there you have it, three different approaches to string formatting in Python. Whether you prefer the traditional modulo operator, the versatile format method, or the sleek f-strings, mastering these techniques will level up your Python programming skills. As always, don't forget to practice what you've learned, experiment with different formatting options, and incorporate them into your projects. Before you know it, you'll be a string formatting pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.